Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best forex strategy and any stock trading strategy special for you. Uh, this video based by TradingView indicator strategy. Okay, so let's see what is a strategy. So strategy is indicator strategy. First of all, you can time frame choose is 5 minute, then choose your indicator. Okay, first of all click on indicator and search trend magic. Okay, here is the indicator by Kivans Ozilibizik. Okay, set this indicator and go to setting and style. In color 2 is color 0 is green. Okay, then okay. And what is a strategy? Strategy is when the trend line start red color and you can go on sellers. Okay, and you can choose the market going down. Okay, and when the trend line color is green and you can trade on buyers and market going up. Okay, and how to set stop loss and how to set your target. Okay, and is market running and here is a trend line is red. Okay, and you can set your short position and you can here is a position and your stop loss is upper high. Okay, then you are clear profit. Okay, very good indicator. And today's market up, that's why I have not with live trade. Okay, and here is a example and here is example market running and there are some false signal when market concentration area, when the trend line is a false signal. Okay, you can avoid it. Okay, you can trade on very good market and very good trend line. Okay, you can not trade this here. Okay, you can trade this here. It's this here. Okay, not trading this here. Okay, you can trade just when market going up or down. Okay, not a concentration area, you can avoid it. Okay, and here is example down is a false signal. You can always set your stop loss. Okay, stop loss is very low. Okay, you can set stop loss you're very low. Okay, and here is a red and trend line has green. Okay, and here is a position. Okay, a long position and here is a my position is here is my target. Okay, and then you can stop loss is upper. Yeah, okay, very low stop loss. Okay, and this is a strategy very simple and you can trade on this market. Okay, not a concentration area. Okay, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you not join best forex broker, link in my description box. Simply click and join it and start forex trading. Okay, and subscribe my channel for next strategy and next indicator and next meta 4 indicator and next meta 5 indicator, very good indicator. Okay, so let's bye bye.